Hi guys, today I want to show you how to console into a physical network device, but at first I don't have the appropriate power cord, so I want to adjust this power cord to fit in. So as you can see, this port for the power input is a bit different from the power cord. There is a hole here, so I have to adjust this one by using soldering iron to create that hole. So as you can see, we have created the hole with the soldering iron, so you can enter it now. Yeah, let me power it up. Yeah. Okay, so since I've powered it up, we need a console cable. This is the kind of console we are going to use. We have two console ports. One uses RJ45, the other one uses this USB type. So we are going to use the USB type. So first thing, you plug it. Then you plug it to your laptop. So there are a few things you are going to do inside your laptop. So let me switch to screen record so that you see it very well. Okay, so as I said, you can see we have a console connection to the laptop now. The first thing you're going to do is to open Party. So here is my Party app. This is an emulator to access the CLI of the switch. Okay, so when using console, the option you're going to choose is serial. But before going further on this Party, there's one more thing you need to do on your laptop. So this COM number, you need to know it. Okay, so you go to Window, click on this window, search for Device Manager. Okay, click Enter. Let me shift this Party. Okay, so look for this COM port. This side written port COM and LPT. All right, click on it. So here is the USB connection to the switch. So it's giving me COM number 4. So this is the information I need from this device manager. So this COM port. So this number 4 is what I'm looking for. So I'll go back to the Party and minimize this. So click on 4, delete that number 1 and put 4. So click Enter. Okay, I'm taken to the CLI of this switch now, as you can see it on the screen. So click Enter. All right. So as you can see, I can access the CLI of the switch now. I can do so many things like show some show ROM. I can show some interface description and status, but just to protect some information, I'm not going to go deep into that. So alright, so let's start to console into a physical switch. The process is the same for router also. So in my case, I'm using a Cisco Catalyst 3560. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with friends. Thank you.